sails. We've got a good rhythm going. Day 13 of the 30-day challenge. Well done for sticking with it. It will pay dividends. Do you know what? I'm not sure who she was, but should we get on with the video anyway? The first video today is using the expression hace. Now, hace, you might know meaning of certain things, but one of the things it can be used for is to be used in the expression ago. So 2 days ago, hace 2 días. Idiomatic phrase. If this is new to you or not quite so new to you, have a look at this video. Follow the link. Smash the subscribe button and you'll receive notifications of every upload. Do you know how to say where something is in Spanish? It can cause a lot of confusion. And why? There are 2 verbs to be in Spanish. Now, if you know this, I'll go on to the next video. But if you're not exactly clear, it might be well worth your while looking at the next video. Oh, and by the way, Madrid is in Spain is Madrid está en España. We all like tips, hacks and tactics. I do, you do, and in this video I've got tips, hacks and tactics for English to Spanish translation on future aspirations, study and work. What's not to like? No, she's back again. How do I get rid of her? Madrid está en España. Ah, the top tip. There's nothing like the top tip at the end of the video. And I know that you're serious because you're stuck around this long in the video. Today's top tip is the expression me entiendo bien con. Me entiendo bien con, which means, if it's new to you, I get on well with. Now that's 4 words. Now I'm going to build this out into a little block phrase which is really going to score highly in the exam. Me entiendo bien con. Me entiendo bien con mi madre. Me entiendo bien con mi madre porque es simpática. Yo me entiendo bien con mi madre porque es simpática y vamos de compras los sábados juntos. Now, can you see what I did there? I started off with my phrase me entiendo bien con, and I built it out, and I built it out, and I built it out. Now I'm going to go into the imperfect tense. So now I'm going to say me entendía bien con. Cuando era joven me entendía bien con mi padre porque jugábamos al fútbol todos los sábados juntos. Now can you see what I've done? Cuando era más joven, when I was younger, me entendía bien con, I used to get on well with, my dad, porque jugábamos al fútbol los sábados, because we used to play football on Saturdays. So I've chunked it out, chunked it out, chunked it out. This is all about chunks. All I can really say is, happy chunking. Oh no, she's back again.